Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it is I, Mario100, and we are back with another video of Animal Crossing, and yeah. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to be doing today. I just know that first thing I need to do is, well, okay, get that fossil. Maybe we'll do some fishing. We're going to try to get some money from Nook. I'm getting that bug. There you go. I caught a rainbow stag. Somebody tell me already. Where's the rainbow? Nowhere. Okay, yeah, let's head over to here. Yep, new stuff. There will be a points special on Simon type. Okay, that's cool. Wait, did they say anything about 4th of July? Because I don't think they did. I might not be making a video that day. If I'm not doing anything, then I might. But who knows? Yes. Let's do that. Only 6 more videos. Which could be like 8 days from now is when I would finish it, because not on Sunday, even though, yeah, I do have a video I have to make. That's not the video I'm going to be making, since I got Mario Maker. Or, well, I'm not sure if I'm doing Mario Maker. I'm going to be doing, oops, something. Oh, it's another bug. Yippee, I caught a Yama stag beetle. I beat the beetle. The pockets are full. Yeah. Daisy, help. Swap it out with... We haven't had a use for the empty lamp at all. So I'm gonna just leave that. I'm gonna go to Nook for one thing, because as you saw, I had a fossil in there. That fossil, I was turning it in yesterday, because that's what I do after my videos. And it was just like, okay, yeah, we already have this one. So yeah, they already had that fossil. So I'm gonna sell it to him so I can get some money. Sell that. Yes, I will take that for. Ooh, that's good. That's a good. Already made that the money from what I just paid. I was about to say, hey, let's get the watering can, but then I noticed, no. What? There's just a web up there. I never noticed that. Thanks so much for shopping. Come back soon. So now I don't know what to do, because my inventory's full. Frick, I was gonna catch that and sell it. Yeah, but my inventory is pretty much full, and the only way I can fix that is going to the museum and putting everything up. Or I can put down that gyroid. I could do that. But that would only put down one. Well, that would only save one slot, which isn't that bad. So, oh, it isn't that good either. So yeah, not really anything I can really do. I'm not exactly sure. I can just talk to some people for this video. No, can I? Yeah, push that back a bit. I still don't know if it's possible to change the bed in my room upstairs with this. Perfect. Okay, I still keep forgetting to search up if there's actual, like, dressers, drawers, and stuff like that to keep stuff in. Is that a different? No, we already have that one. Because of me not having any room in my pocket, if I find the money rock, I might just do that stuff off screen. Because I don't think anyone wants to see that. If I don't have anything to do in this video, I might just go to the museum anyway. Oh, I like how the little there's little water when I pat the ground. Oh, there's Mo up there. Hi there, Mario 100. I made up an awesome game for rainy days. You should give it a try. It's called Stay Inside and Eat Lime Sorbet. Mario 100, are you checking the mailbox at your house? Yeah. If it fills up and you can't get any more letters, you can't send any letters either. And if you can't send the letters, you can't send me any presents. So don't forget to check your mail. You know, I might do that. I might give him a present. You. Whoa, like Slacker. It's totally late. You're crazy to be up at this hour, but aren't you? But I'm up to... Exactly. So that means I'm the crazy one. Or maybe it's just everyone else. You know, there aren't many big events planned these days. There's 4th of July. It's like so boring, Slacker. Shut up. Okay, I have the perfect idea of what I can give Mo. Okay. Let's just... remove accessory. Write a letter. Mo. Have present confirm, and then frickin' perfect. Send it to him. The thing been in my mouth. This is the town post office. What can I help you with? Send mail. Gwen. Good egg. Okay, I'll take it from here. Nope. You know, another thing that would probably, like, empty my inventory. Maybe wearing my clothes. There you go, that's better. I like the chef. I am the chef. I do the cooking. Now what? Now, wait, is that... That's... Oh, it's Mo again. Let's go see if we can find anyone else, actually. Or... maybe a money rock. There's not really much I can get done in this video. I don't really know anything. So it's just a normal day. Oh, he wants to talk. Yo, Mario 100. I know you want to do one of those gift exchange things. Heck yeah, I love gift exchanges. I guess I came off sounding a little sketchy, huh? But seriously, I mean it. That rainbow stag you're carrying, I need it. Spanish shirt? I've been dropping hints about wanting it, but... So, what do you say? I wouldn't let him down. I can get another... Woo! I knew you'd feel me. Well then, let me trade you for... Okay, yeah. I'll take that. I'll go get another one. Yes, I feel way better now that that's out of the way. Thanks, Hawkeye. What is the shirt, though? Spanish shirt. Huh. Does that have a cat on it? Is this the Mo shirt? Is this the Mo shirt? It looks like it has a little cat head on, and I'm just like, it's freaking Mo. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, I guess because of that, he pretty much gave me a thing to do for this video. Or, I guess, just today, I guess. To look for that freaking, look for another rainbow beetle. Because I need one of those. Well, I don't really need it. I can probably get it another day, but... Who knows? Don't, like... Because it's raining. I'm not exactly sure if they only come out when it's raining. Which would make sense. Because rain and rainbow. Rainbows come from rain. So does rainbow... thing. Bug. Rainbow thing bug. I don't see anything. Where am I supposed to look? Back here, back here. Nothing. Great. That's not, no, that, okay, I was a bit scared. I was just like, frick. No, that wasn't it. That was not it. Not there either. Not really interested on going to Gwen's house. I'm interested on Rainbow Beetle. I'm gathering all these bugs and things for like, oh later. Did I never collect that? Okay, 2 money rocks in one video, I guess. I'll get it later. Let's get this. Pitfall, okay. Yeah, Pitfall Seed, even though they're just called Pitfall and Smash, and that's what everyone calls them. Another one. Oh, it's another gyroid. Gargoyd? Gargoyd? Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Besides freaking fossils and stuff. And no, they're all gyroids. Mega Howloid. No, don't shovel the tree. You can apparently do that in New Horizons, though. You can just pick up the whole tree. Oh. Raybot. You know I'm always yelling Toady. Toady. I started saying that because I thought it was extreme, but now I can't stop. I'm like a Toady drop-in robot. The other day, Peanut was making fun of me about it. Does it sound stupid? It's stupid. It's fine by me. I like it. For real? That's great. I'm so relieved. I'm just gonna keep on dropping Toady every time, anywhere, Toady. Everyone else has their stupid catchphrase. Why can't you? And I know that if you tell him, yeah, that sounds dumb, you can change it, but I don't want to do that. I'm not creative enough. What else is there? I don't really see anything. I've literally gone around this place. Was that it? I swear I just made it run. Or fly. Oh, that makes me mad. Whatever. There's not really much else I can do. So, why not just show my process of turning things in the video? Because why not? It won't take that long. Let's just go in. What's up? Who there? Welcome to Good Egg. So yeah, we just donation. You know, oh wow, we only have 2 things. I thought we had more. No, because there was no fossils. Okay. Ooh, I dare say that is a snail. Do not free it! I love that. He freaks out. Wait, did that just say if the snail get its insides? I'm not exactly sure if he said that, but if he did, I did not know that. Okay. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, one video will, maybe next video, we'll just look at all the rooms in the museum. Okay. Let's go pick up the Money Rock money. And then, that should be it. Don't really know what else we can do. Oh, Daisy. We haven't talked to Daisy. Well, good evening, Mario 100. All the trees and flowers look so much happier when it's raining, don't you agree, Bow Wow? I've been thinking about something for a long time, and it's really starting to bug me. You know, we get a lot of visitors here in Good Egg, right? And not just folks from other towns either. I'm talking about the ones who just show up out of nowhere one day. You know them, Bow Wow? Where do they come from, and where do they go? Where did they come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I mean, when they're not wandering around here, Bow Wow. Oh, wow, okay. Nice one. Nice one, me. Drop it. Drop it. I have no room. I'm gonna use that pitfall. Actually, no, I don't want to be mean. I don't want to be that mean. Mean. Did I just... Okay, great. I did that. I said meme instead of mean. That's how I feel. Oh, wait, I can just do that. I don't have to drag it. I can just add to wallet. Yeah, okay. I think that is enough boring. Just pick up and add to wallet repeatedly over and over again. I don't think any of you want to see that. So that's about it for this video. See you all next time. Join the Discord, and bye.